I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be shopping for room decor and furniture at multiple stores. So this vlog is gonna be really fun. I think the first place we're gonna shop at is Target because it's nearby, whereas IKEA and HomeGoods are so far away. I really want to go to HomeGoods. I really want to go to HomeGoods, but it's like 30 minutes away, I think. So, but anyways, make sure to like this video, comment down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. Now let's get on with this vlog. First, we're gonna get some food because you gotta fuel your body, especially when you're about to do a lot of work. And we're at this new place called Culver's. I've never tried it before, so I guess we're gonna see what it's like. Ooh, they have some kind of smoothie refreshers. I want a refresher, a little drink. Update while we're waiting in line here at Culver's. One of my TikToks just went kind of viral. I've never had a TikTok that got this many likes or views, so this is really exciting for me. Make sure to go check it out at Peachy Queen Official. Really? This is ghetto. Look, we got the cups in here, so we have to put our drinks in a little cupboard. This is ratchet. But I got a lemonade. Here's what it looks like. Okay, we didn't have this in the area that we used to live in, but I know that lemonade tastes different at every fast food place, so let's see. That's good. Is it handmade or is it store-bought?
Really?
Excuse me? Look. I asked for ranch. They gave me 3 big ranches here.
Without charging you.
No charge.
What place charges
Whataburger charges for ranch. And then places like McDonald's and they give you like 1 ranch. Guys, like this video and comment down below if you love ranch. Wait, let me pray for food. I need to soak this food with the blood of Jesus, that it be good to our bodies and nourish our bodies. And then even let it come out by fire. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Alright, let's try this.
They're trying to do.
Dip it in there. Let's see. Ooh. You want to show them your sandwich?
Sandwich.
They could barely see, but ooh, this looks good. It's got everything. You can taste everything that they put in the sandwich. So good. Okay, now let's get into the shopping. This has to be a worker right there.
Get down.
Okay, this is one of the things that's on our list. They're like little organizers for the bathroom. Ooh, I see some stackable trays here, but I was looking for something kind of bigger than that.
Don't you want like something to put your stuff in?
Yeah.
Something like that.
But I would get a clear one.
These are $1.
For the tiny little ones.
Or white ones.
This is really cute. This is cute and it matches my bathroom colors. Let's see, how much is this? $16 for one, and it matches this one. But wouldn't that be too matchy? I want a whole set though, an entire set. Look at this, cute. I just don't understand why it's $8. For what? For what? And this one's so cute. It looks like it's a foaming hand soap. This one would go with your bathroom. I like that one. Right, so I'm getting some organizers for my bathroom right now because these are actually a good price. They're all $2 and you get multiple. So I'm gonna get white to match my bathroom. The only thing about white is I feel like you gotta clean it. They're already looking dirty. What's going on?
You just wash them.
Add that into the basket. That's basically all we have in this random conditioner we found on sale. Look what my mom just found. I didn't even think about this, but we were thinking about getting a TV stand instead of just having my TV stand on those 2 ottomans, and she found something that could actually work. And the thing is, I have a lot of things that I want to put on top, but with this you could put it inside. That's actually really cute. I just got to figure out which size I want. I kind of like this one.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, okay. Very heavy. All right, we're just gonna go with this and see if I like it, because I really need to start getting in more furniture in my room. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is the heaviest thing ever. Okay. Oh, ouch. Look, and now the cart is running away. Look at this nonsense.
What happened?
I scratched my arm.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, but this is so too much going on. There's these really cute purple storage bins that can go inside, and I think my room's gonna be purple. So oh, it comes 2 in 1
for $5. That's
$2
good.
There's a whole bunch of cute plants here for $5. I don't know if that's a good price because we never buy fake plants like this, but we want to get something to jazz up the rooms, you know? There's a whole bunch more in here. Look how cute this one is. Isn't this so cute? If my camera would focus.
That is cute.
Not the Cinnamon Toast Crunch candle out of nowhere. Maybe I'm just overthinking all of this and I should just pick 2 and get the heck out. You don't want it to break like that though. Where'd you go? I need to put these in the cart. Oh gosh.
One can go over the chair and one can go
Now
over.
you're getting into all this fall decor. Decorating for fall. Should we do a video like that? Comment down below. Right now we are at Dollar Tree and I found these really cute glass containers here. We already have one for cotton balls. Now we need one for cotton swabs and pads for like facial stuff, you know? These are cute. I wish I could find more of them though. Why are those the only ones I see here? Oh, this opens interestingly. I'm gonna get all 3 of them. What do you want me to look at?
For under your sink, you could put like your shampoos and stuff here, organizers. Stuff.
Okay, yeah, we can get that. I'm about to overthink this and I don't want to.
Here, why one? Because I know you.
I'm starting to think this was not a good idea. I don't even know where the big carts are, so this is getting over full and we just got here. Woo! It is so hot, but we just got back from Dollar Tree. I got a lot of random stuff. We got some liners for the cabinets. I got a toilet bowl cleaner, some containers for our Q-tips and facial products. A lot of stuff, so that was a pretty good run. But there's still a lot more stores to go to. TJ Maxx. It's inside the mall, so we're gonna have to walk all the way in there. This is our first time here at this mall. Look at that carousel. That is so cute. This is a really, really nice mall here. And I'm about to take some pictures over here, so follow me on Instagram at Peachy Queen Official.
Hang this up and put.
That's really cute. I actually like that one. But will it match my room? Yeah. Okay, those tiny little containers we found at Dollar Tree, they have them here at TJ Maxx, but with the products already inside. They're cute, but I'm sure they're more expensive. This one you could put both, $4.99. This one has beauty blenders or sponges in it. No way. They have organizers in pink. These ones are small, but how much? $5.99 for a whole bunch. It's for makeup though, but you can use it for whatever you want, right? I like this color. They have cute sets over here that come in little holders. How cute is this? This one would be perfect for my bathroom because it has a pink lid. Ooh, but I wish they had empty ones that are cheaper. I don't know. There's lots of organizers here, and the ones that we're looking for, there's a pack, 5 pieces for how much did you say it was? $29.99. That's not bad actually. Cool. We've been looking for something like that for our pantry so we can fill it up with a bunch of cute products, and this is the right aisle for that. We were also thinking about getting an oil one. I don't know if they have those here.
See, this is $8.99
for just one. So if you got 5 of that, that'd be like $48, $50. So this is a good price. We may as well just get it since we're here. I'm getting tired of shopping and I'm getting moody too, which is not good. I'm trying to keep going. And this is only store 3. Maybe we need to take a break. Home Goods. I don't think I've ever been to Home Goods actually. Ooh, couches and furniture.
I know, there's a couch here. Let's see.
I'm seeing these organizers everywhere now. I really like this mirror for some reason. It's so big. But we're looking for mirrors for the living room. Something round like this. This is cute. This is super cute, but it's $50. Why? Love wins. Nice message. I feel like you could find a cheaper version on Amazon. These chairs are so cute. Office? Well, I get what you mean kind of, but it's $500. But it looks so fun to sit in. Matter of fact, it's giving Blue's Clues. Wait, this is swivel? Wait a minute. This is a swivel seat. You guys know that one lady on TikTok where she's always trying to like slip through stuff? Okay, I'm getting lost in here now. I thought I saw a praying mantis for a second. Ugh, I don't like those. They're scary. What are those for? Mommy, you're just looking at random stuff. I don't even know what this stuff
It's like
is.
a side table for our couch.
Maybe that brown one, but it has black. Maybe we chose too hard of a color scheme. These pictures are so cute. I really like this one. But why is this the only one here? It's thick. It's giving black Barbie.
You should put it in your bathroom. $3.50.
Really?
Yep.
I cannot.
You can't beat that price.
I just wish the colors went better. Not the black and white stripes. The texture and color of this is just so pretty. So nice and comfy. And it's airy too. With the pillows we want to get, we always do this test to see if we can design it with a karate chop. Really? It didn't even work.
I think you hit too hard.
No, I didn't. Okay. It still doesn't work. This is cringe. Huh?
It has to be a certain.
Okay,
pillow.
it's kind of giving a little bit. Look.
You shouldn't have to fight with it.
We're literally karate chopping everything, so. Okay, well, I found these bathroom mats and I like these so much. Look how cute this color is, and it has some white in it because I want my bathroom to be pink and white. This is perfect. It's $24.99, basically $25. So I think I'm gonna get this and return the other one that I got. Finally, I found some pink stuff for my bathroom. I've been looking everywhere, they never have them, but look at this. The only thing is this one has a little scratch on it right there, but I'm still happy to have this, to be honest. Look at us in the organizers and container section again. We really want our house to be organized, as you can see. But look at this cart. There's so much in it. We're doing a whole bunch of shopping. Later?
They will always be here.
I guess we have enough organizers for now. Getting a little bit tired, but at the same time, I still want to keep shopping.
You still want to go to IKEA?
Oof, IKEA is huge. It's not a good idea. IKEA is a great idea.
I think we should go home first and check on our delivery.
Oh yeah, because we have a delivery
we could go to IKEA.
coming. Okay, that's what you say, and then I know we're gonna get tired and just relax. It always ends up that way.
It is if we do.
Line is long, as always. So we gotta wait. All right, I am back home and I'm about to eat some lunch right now because I'm super hungry after all of that shopping, but that is the end of today's video. I'm also about to film a shopping haul of everything that I got in today's video, so definitely make sure to stay tuned and watch that once it's out. Also, make sure to give this video a big giant thumbs up, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.